Hey everybody, Robert with C4 Outdoors. Today, me and my buddy Sterling are back out on Lake Mendota. Gonna chase perch. Gonna keep it real simple, real light today. Got my dangler tip downs, minnow bucket, locator, and rods. That's it. Gonna go out there, gonna try to get on the perch, stay on the perch, and also a lot of you guys are wondering what we're using, how we're doing it, and everything like that. I'm gonna try to tell you guys everything here shortly on how to catch perch on Lake Mendota. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Finally broke the curse. Definitely had to work it. He just hung out on the bottom for like the last 3 minutes. All I've been doing is just pounding the bottom, occasionally lift it up just to see if there's one down there, but that's it. I marked 2 fish. So as you can see, I'm just sitting here pounding off the bottom using a glow-in-the-dark Swedish pimple tipped with a minnow head. More or less just trying to get the fish up off the bottom. If you can bring them up, next part is just trying to get them to bite. It's been tricky today, but it has been producing.
I was suspended about halfway up.
So as you can see, there's a whole school right down there right now. So what we're gonna do is just drop in them, lift up, and hopefully get one to bite. Fish on.
Jesus Christ!
What the hell is that?
Striper!
Yeah?
So as you can see, just using a Wonder Bread jig tipped with spikes from Mud Butt Baits. Doing the trick today. God damn it.
Big one?
Yeah, they're all suspended. It came off. Sterling, come over here. Just that tungsten jig and spikes.
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, we had a pretty good day out on Mendota. Took a lot of work, a lot of hole hopping to find them, but we did. Tungsten jig with spikes worked best. I kept 17, 18 of them. Sterling about the same, and then our buddy Ashley just got out here for an hour and he got 4. So stay tuned, see where we are next. Thanks a lot for all the support, guys. We appreciate it. Good luck fishing.